Here's Dr. Ringo to share some information with you about how our maintenance department is working to keep all of our students and staff as safe as possible.
Welcome. My name is Molly Ringo, Director of Maintenance, Safety, and Security, and I'd like to introduce our two custodial supervisors, Wes Erdahl and Trevor Bell, along with head custodian from Hawthorne Elementary School, Chris Kazin. They will be demonstrating cleaning and disinfection processes at Hawthorne and an appropriate classroom setup with distance furnishings. It takes a team for us all to keep classrooms spaces healthy and safe. Neat, organized classrooms with minimal materials displayed facilitates cleaning and disinfection processes. A team effort between custodial staff and teaching staff. Teaching staff are responsible for maintaining custodial-friendly classrooms and for custodians to disinfect. We are all responsible for helping to provide a safe and welcoming environment. We look forward to adventuring together and having our students return on site.
So for those of you who may have not ever met either of these two amazing gentlemen, the top is Trevor Bell, and on the bottom photo is Wes Erdahl. And they work tirelessly, even pre-COVID, to make sure that our schools are as clean as they possibly can be. And you know, a lot of times they're short-staffed, and they just keep working at it, and they have continued that passion and that dedication and increased that, I'd say, even more during this time of COVID. So here's an example of these guys doing some measurements for us in the classrooms. We've got Velcro or sticky labels that for social distancing that they've applied in many of our spaces. There's some Velcro dots that are available at each of the schools, so that if you wanted to mark out where desks could be positioned, that way it's easier to rearrange them if they need to get moved for vacuuming or for any other kind of activities. I'm going to show you a couple little videos here of some examples of cleaning by the custodial staff, and this is something that would happen at the end of the day. Very similar to what we saw on the bus. This is electrostatic cleaning, and this is for a disinfectant that would be left on the desk for a period of time before it was wiped off. In this next clip, Wes Erdahl is going to be imitating a classroom staff member at this point. So it's important daily to keep surfaces clean and wipe them down. Now notice as he's cleaning, he's wiping as he's cleaning. He's not using a disinfectant. He's just using a typical all-purpose cleaner, just like we've typically had in our classrooms to do those general points of cleaning. Again, this is another example. He's demonstrating as if he were a classroom staff member with the all-purpose cleaner. Now, if he were using a disinfectant like the custodians will use at the end of the day, each of those disinfectants have what's called a dwell time, and that means that those lower toxic chemicals would be left on those surfaces for about 5 minutes before they're wiped off, and that allows them to fully do their job. In this clip, Wes is going to demonstrate how to refill a bottle of hand sanitizer. Each classroom receives 3 smaller bottles and a refillable bottle. He's demonstrating there that we don't use the large bottle for daily use, but rather the 3 small bottles. When they run out, you can refill them using the larger jug. Just want to point out, I think there's some amazing acting going on here in this clip. I don't think he's had any formal training, but look at those hand gestures, even finishing with the ta-da.